Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for managing a fitness studio effectively. First things first, you'll want to create a new workspace for your fitness studio. This will be your centralized hub for all things related to your business. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place, making it easier for you and your team to stay on top of tasks. Next up, let's populate our workspace with useful pages. You might want to create pages for client profiles, class schedules, personal training sessions, and financial tracking. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of all the various aspects of our fitness studio at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating databases. For example, you might want to create a database for your clients. This would include information like their contact details, their fitness goals, and their progress. The reason we do this is so that we can keep track of crucial details and easily update them as needed. Another critical step is integrating your Notion workspace with external tools. For instance, you could sync it with your Google Calendar. This will automatically update your Notion schedule whenever you add something to your Google Calendar. Let me explain why this matters. It saves you time and ensures you never miss a thing, whether it's a class or a meeting with a client. Also, don't forget to make use of Notion's collaboration features. You can share your workspace with your team, assign tasks, and leave comments. This helps us because it fosters teamwork, keeps everyone accountable, and facilitates efficient communication. In conclusion, Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for managing a fitness studio. By creating a dedicated workspace, populating it with relevant pages, setting up databases, integrating external tools, and leveraging collaboration features, you can streamline your operations and keep everything running smoothly. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and remember, keep breaking a sweat and keep things organized with Notion.